Upstream is about a farmer who can not usually fundable offer prices and who is getting losses of selling the crops in a low cost prices and depending on the market who is getting a loss, and it is also a tool which we can be inform the creditors and the information of the present and the past of crop life, and it shows that it depends on the farm, and even it is interconnected to the AI crop producer and also the market prices. Next is followed by science.
The solution is AI to predict the crop price prediction. This is based on government weather report like marketing cost. It's based on the followed by
Technical terms we use. Python or Node.js is used for data handling, and APIs. API stands for Application Programming Interface. AI/ML model. Python is used for crop price prediction. Database. Database means like MySQL or MongoDB for storing crop, weather, or market data. APIs integration is nothing but government data APIs or weather APIs, market feedback or market data. Deployment cloud for scalability and real-time access. Frontend is nothing but HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Methods and technologies are to be used or implemented in this situation. Start, collect data, reprocess the data, search features, and check test or validated, predict market price, provide recommendation to farmer head. Further policy over there.
Feasibility and viability. To analyze the feasibility of the idea. The agri-market price prediction is feasible and it uses the readily available AI-embedded tools, government weather application program interface. Challenges and potential challenges and risks. The solution entails some challenges like data inconsistency, sudden market or weather changes, and model accuracy. These challenges involve some strategies, multiple data sources, AI continuous AI model training, and real-time updates to improve the accuracy. Further adoption will be encouraged through local language support, awareness programs, small user interface, and offline access options. Further followed by grant.
Impacts and benefits. By knowing the cost rate of a product, the farmer can sell for the right price. No middle to need to be involved in it. So the farmer gets the real price. So he does not have any loss. Benefit increases farmers' income, reduces experiments, and improve leverage. Environmentally, encourage efficient crop preparing, reduces wastage of crop.
These are some of the main research tools for research and references work for predicting agri-market prices in India. First one is deep learning versus traditional learning for Indian agri prices, and second is review of
of price forecasting methods in MDPI agriculture. Multidisciplinary Digital Publishing Institute. Mr. Staple graphs price prediction with machine learning or deep learning is MDPI sustainability. It's agri-market net-based prediction for Indian farmers and graph neural network plus cable news network for Indian vegetables. And ChatGPT and Gemini are the AI. These are some of the tools and things for research and research work for predicting agri-market prices in India.
At last, the conclusion is the agri-market price predictor empowers farmers with timely, data-driven insights, turning market uncertainty into informed decisions. And by combining historical trends and predictive analytics, it ensures smarter planning, better profits, and sustainable agricultural practices. It says about what was happening in the crop life before and now, because it says there was more loss before of the crop section, after which had get developed and consumed. It shows the better improvement in the crop life by showing the crop price in the market before it sells the crop in the mobile data in the app, and it shows the time.